Okay, so out of the brine and rinsed under cold water for about 1 to 2 minutes. We're gonna set it on a paper towel and let the water drain. This will be the one and only time that we're gonna let it get into the danger zone. Raw meat can get into the danger zone once, and then after it's cooked, it can get into the danger zone one more time. So this is the raw stage. It can get to room temperature and it'll be fine. Okay, so the chicken is dry. And now, turn on my smoker. Dogwood from the front yard. And just to make sure you can't hear me anymore, I'm going to turn the fan on. And we'll do this intermittently a couple of times over the next hour. So very simply, what I've done is I keep my tomato paste in a bag. Don't store it in the fridge in the can, just like the covering over it. Go ahead and take it out of the can, put it in the freezer. When you go to use it, this kind of freezes up like a sorbet, and it's very easy to slice out of the freezer. And I've got my vegetables, my chicken bones, and some chicken skin in here. And I've already put my tomato paste in, and we're just gonna rub it all up. And the tomato paste will really help with some good caramelization for your stock. Or in this case, I guess it would be a broth, since I've got meat and fat in it. Most people just use the terms interchangeably anyway now. It's a big coating. So I'm just gonna put this on the stone. You can add a little bit of salt to this if you want. I don't, just because I prefer to control the salt when I'm cooking, as I'm cooking, and makes it a little bit easier. I'm just mix that up a little more. And now this will go in the oven at 375 for roughly 25 minutes or so till I get a good brown on it, and then we'll start making the stock. All right. Okay, so everything's out of the oven. Really nice caramelization there. Pretend you didn't see the strawberry. All right, so that can go into my pot now. Pot is cold. There's no heat on it yet. This is hot. My hands are a little more tempered than most folks, so be careful. Take our filtered water, and it's cold. That's going to be our stock in the last little bit. Here, see if I can't get some of that brown off. Yep. Okay. Burner. Next to lowest setting. This is like a 1.5 out of 10. 2 hours. And just let it go. When we're done, we will filter it into this with a piece of cheesecloth inside, and we'll get a nice clear broth. And that will stretch the chicken that I made, starting with the brine, then the bake, and now this. We've stretched it into a week's worth of food. So anyway, hope that helps. My heart is bursting. You're okay. You go back to sleep. You're alright. Ready to eat? Okay, let's eat. Come on.